Hello everyone, from Tony, the Scout Ghost from Hangzhou, China. So you remember that I got this little thing from my trip to Shanghai? So now it's time to open it. So let's do it together. So it will be an unboxing on the go, made on the bed of my B&B. So made with some keys instead of the usual scissors, but it will be cool anyway. So let me open the package. I've been given the headset with, and this is going to be interesting. Play for dream where dreams inspire. So let's see if we will be inspired for real. So throw it away. And here you are the box. Play for dream MR. I guess in Chinese it's something like Huan Chu, Men Xiang, MR. Something like that. For sure, if you speak Chinese, you may think my pronunciation is horrible, but that's fine. that's the thing. There are some characteristics of the headset and the content of the box. So, and not many things. So it's kind of an elegant black box that is contains the headset. So now it's time to open the box. So we'll try to break this plastic without break the box. Also because I have to return it. So let's open it. So now we are just with the box, and let's see if it. Okay, there is. Okay, it's like this. So you can dream what's inside. This is a playful dream. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and ole. So this is the Playful Dream headset. So let me remove the device. So this is a cover, of course. So now let me remove this. So you can see the device from, you can also see me from all the points of view. These are the sensor cameras. It looks made pretty well. So it doesn't look like flimsy or something like that. Looks manufactured with pretty good quality. There is the knob. Close it. It seems a mix of devices, a bit Vision Pro, a bit Quest Pro, a bit HoloLens, I don't know. And this is rigid too, so you cannot bend it. So I have to show you the lenses like this. I cannot put the phone any closer because I cannot rotate the crown. But I guess I can remove this one. So this is the face mask. Is removable, is magnetic. And if I remember well, at CES, I didn't like it much because it was pretty easy to remove while it was on my face. So these are the lenses. And this is the back, the nape. So again, let me re-show the whole device. Seems pretty cool. You see, it's very easy for this to be removed. Here there are some buttons like a crown, like the Vision Pro. And now let's take a look at the controllers. Controllers feels very, very lightweight. There is not the battery inside. Oh no, they are chargeable via USB. They're super lightweight. Really. Very, very well. They seem empty actually. So here you see there is the thumbstick, the BA button, menu button. They turn it on, so I guess they already have the battery charger. You see, this LED is blinking. And if I have to say the fit, it's not that bad. I don't like that the grip is not, it's just on off. It's not like that there is some analog values. It's just a click. I'm not a big fan of the grip like this. But overall the fit seemed fine, and both hands feel good, and they're super lightweight, as I said. So this is pretty interesting. Let me show you them again from all the points of view. So pretty nice controllers. And now there is a little box. A box in the box. Usually this is where you find some accessories, and in fact we have the charger, which instead is super heavy. There's the support of two types of USBs, which is pretty cool actually. Wow, it's more heavy than the whole headset. And then we have, I guess, the USB cables. Yes, USB cable with this is USB-A, and these are two USB-C. So it's for the two controllers. And I guess there is one USB-C, USB-C for the headset, so you can attach it with the power adapter. You can charge everything at the same time. Okay, let me see if there is a smart way maybe to remove this. This is empty, and yes, it's a USB-C, USB-C. So this is, you can charge at the same time with the power adapter, both controllers and a headset. That's pretty good. Instead of having a full dock, it's a working solution. And whatever. I don't know what it is. I guess it's maybe to manage the cables together while you're charging it. I'm confused. Or maybe it's something to manage the cable when you're using the link. Yeah, I guess it's like this. Probably so you can make the cable go over here while you're using the, let's say, the Quest link, or however it's called, the Play for Dream link, I don't know. So that's it. I think it's been a nice unboxing experience. Nothing super fancy, I would say, but pretty let's say tidy. A way of tidying of putting the various elements inside. Again, this is the headset, and hope you had fun with this unboxing. So this is me. This is my new Play for Dream MR headset, which I have just for a few days. Now I'll start doing some cool tests with it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if it is the case, please like and subscribe as usual, but especially have a good day in VR. Bye bye. Oh my god, no. Damn magnetic masks.